Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Road Cyclist Husain, and yes, today we're going to change the Triban 100's tire. So we'll be using the tube of Ralston bicycles, and there's my tire. So let's get started. Yeah, so in order to remove the tube, the first thing I would say that take a flat head screwdriver and be careful, don't touch your rims too much and only focus on the tube. So remove it from the housing carefully so that you don't damage anything. After you remove a bit, try removing it from your hand since it's a screwdriver and it's not a proper tire removing tool. So I just recommend you to use your hands for this. Locate the Presta valve and then remove it from the hole of the rim. That's it. After removing it, catch it from that side and peel out the entire tube from the rim. This is an easy process, so you don't need to actually worry. That's my old tube and there you go, it's a puncture. So I'll rather replace it with the Ralston bicycle inner tube. It's butyl rubber, and yes, again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just to demonstrate how do I insert the tube back into the tire. So there we can see it's completely fitting nicely, though it's a 23C. So we just keep the nut and the cap on the side since we're going to use it later on to clamp the head valve back onto the rim so that when you fill your air, it's not going to be a hassle. Locate the notch and then insert it right into the notch. There you go. Make sure while you put the tube back into the tire, you do not pinch it at all. Follow a sequence, no twists and turns, or else you're going to have a puncture before you fill the air in. After fitting the tube back inside, you're going to press down the walls of the tire back into the rim. This time we're going to use the hands, and yep, don't forget the nut. Fit the nut back onto the valve. After clamping it down, see, we have successfully clamped it down and we have a tube ready. Do not tighten this nut too much down since we're going to fill air inside, and that won't let the air go inside since if it's tightened. That's the way how I got my tube done in 150 rupees from Kalbadevi market. I bought the Ralston tube along with the pump. Okay, pump is according to you. You might have a pump, you might not have a pump, but the tube, I always suggest you to keep an extra spare tube along with you in your pouch. I actually keep a smaller version of it. I have kept a 700 by 28 along with me, just in case in my long distance rides ever if I get a puncture, I can replace it with my 28 tube, and I can do my 28 mm tube, or if I can reach any bicycle mechanic that can get me a permanent fix done. And also, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so very much guys for cooperating. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you like it, and I hope it's really informative because this thing every cyclist should know. So subscribe, leave a like. Thank you so much.